ChatGPT is everywhere. It writes emails, builds websites, passes exams, and even creates full businesses with just a few prompts. Some people are using it to land dream jobs. Others are building startups around it, and a few are making six figures just by knowing how to use it better than everyone else. But here's the thing. Most people have no idea how ChatGPT really works. They treat it like a magic box, and even fewer people understand the limits, the risks, the hidden features, and the opportunities this tool opens up. The difference between someone who uses ChatGPT casually and someone who uses it strategically is enormous. So today, you're going to discover the truth about ChatGPT that nobody tells you. Why it sometimes lies, how it actually thinks, the hidden settings that unlock 10 times better responses, and how to use it like top creators and entrepreneurs. Stick around, because secret number 5 shocks almost everyone. Let's get started. Secret number 1, ChatGPT doesn't know things. It predicts. Most people think ChatGPT has a giant database of facts, but that's not true. ChatGPT doesn't store information. It doesn't remember anything in the traditional sense, and it doesn't understand the world like humans do. What ChatGPT actually does is predict the next word based on patterns in billions of sentences it was trained on. That's it. Think of it like this. If I say, "The sky is," your brain thinks blue. ChatGPT works the same way, but on a massive scale. This means ChatGPT isn't answering like a human with knowledge. It's completing your sentence in the smartest, most statistically likely way. Why does this matter? Because it explains why ChatGPT sometimes makes up facts, why it can sound confident but be completely wrong, and why you should always double-check important information. ChatGPT is not a truth machine. It's a pattern machine. Secret number 2, ChatGPT lies, but not on purpose. You've probably seen it happen. You ask ChatGPT a simple question, it gives you the wrong answer, but it sounds incredibly confident. This is called hallucination. But here's the truth. ChatGPT doesn't lie intentionally. It has no concept of truth or lies. It's simply filling in gaps with the most likely answer it can generate. Imagine asking someone a question they don't know the answer to, but instead of saying, "I don't know," they improvise. That's exactly what ChatGPT does, and this can be dangerous. People have used ChatGPT for legal documents and found made-up case citations. Students have submitted papers with fake references, all because ChatGPT sounded so sure. So always verify important information. Cross-check facts with reliable sources. Remember this golden rule. Confidence does not equal accuracy. Secret number 3. ChatGPT gets dumber or better based on you. Most people don't know this, but ChatGPT adapts to your behavior. Bad prompts lead to bad answers. Clear, structured prompts lead to insane results. If you use ChatGPT like a search engine, you'll get mediocre results. But if you use it like a collaborator, things change. Here's a secret. ChatGPT performs much better when you assign it a role. Instead of saying, "Write a business plan," say, "Act as an experienced startup consultant and write a business plan for a sustainable fashion brand." Other examples. Act as an AI researcher. Act as a financial analyst. Act as a YouTube scriptwriter. This instantly improves the quality of output. You can also use chain of thought prompts. Say, "Show your reasoning step by step before giving the final answer." This forces ChatGPT to think through the logic and give you much better results. Most people never do this, and that's why their results look so basic. Secret number 4. ChatGPT has hidden features most users never touch. There are tools inside ChatGPT that almost no one uses. First, custom instructions. You can tell ChatGPT how you want it to respond, what tone to use, what format you prefer, who you are, and what your goals are. Once saved, ChatGPT automatically follows your style every single time. This alone can save you hours. Second, ChatGPT memory. ChatGPT can remember your writing style, your preferences, your prompts, and your projects. This means the more you use it, the smarter it gets at helping you specifically. And third, advanced prompts that most users never try. Commands like refine this, transform this into a different format, break this down into simple steps, summarize for a 10-year-old, or rewrite in 5 different styles. These tools turn ChatGPT into a true creative partner, not just a text generator. Secret number 5, ChatGPT is biased and always will be. Here's a truth most people don't want to hear. AI systems are biased because AI learns from humans. ChatGPT was trained on millions of books, articles, posts, and conversations, all written by biased humans. This means certain opinions might be amplified, some answers may be restricted, some topics can trigger safety filters, and some outputs reflect cultural patterns. Here's an example. If you ask ChatGPT about controversial topics, it gives very balanced, cautious answers. That's not neutrality. That's a form of bias, too. ChatGPT doesn't have personal beliefs, but it reflects the beliefs and assumptions of the data it was trained on. So treat every output as a suggestion, not absolute truth. Think critically. Verify important claims. Remember that ChatGPT is a tool, not an oracle. Secret number 6, ChatGPT is not replacing you. It's replacing tasks. People keep asking, is ChatGPT going to take my job? And the truth is no, but it will take over parts of your job. And this is good news if you adapt. AI doesn't replace professions. It replaces task lists. Here's what ChatGPT is great at: summarizing, rewriting, brainstorming, researching, organizing, optimizing, explaining, formatting, and generating ideas. Here's what ChatGPT can't do: make final decisions, feel emotions, understand context like humans, take responsibility, create original ideas from lived experience, or execute physical tasks. The future isn't human versus AI. It's humans with AI versus humans without AI. If 2 people apply for the same job, and one can do the work of 3 people because they've mastered AI tools, who gets hired? ChatGPT replaces the boring, repetitive things, but it supercharges humans who know how to use it. Secret number 7. ChatGPT is a skill, not a tool. Most people think ChatGPT is like Google. You type something, you get something back, you move on. But ChatGPT is much more powerful when you treat it as a skill you develop. Prompting is the new literacy, and the people who master this skill become faster, smarter, more productive, more valuable, and more employable. Here's an example. 2 marketers get the same task: create a content strategy. The first asks, "Give me content ideas," and gets a generic list in 5 minutes. The second gives ChatGPT context about the audience, brand voice, and goals, then refines each idea with follow-up prompts. They spend 30 minutes, but get a comprehensive strategy that would have taken days manually. Same tool, different skill level, completely different results. The gap between basic users and advanced users is massive. Secret number 8. The real power of ChatGPT is compounding. Here's the most important truth. ChatGPT becomes more powerful the more you use it. Why? Because you become better. Every conversation teaches you how to prompt better. You build systems and templates. ChatGPT learns your preferences, your workflow becomes faster every day. After 30 days of consistent use, your productivity skyrockets. On day 1, you save 10 minutes. By day 30, you're saving hours because you've built systems. This is why top creators and entrepreneurs are obsessed with AI. It compounds like interest. Every week you get faster, better, more knowledgeable, and more organized. And suddenly you're doing 10 times more work in the same amount of time. So that's the truth about ChatGPT that nobody tells you. ChatGPT is not magic. It won't replace your judgment or creativity. But used correctly, it's the most powerful productivity tool of our generation. The question isn't whether AI will change your industry, it already has. The question is whether you'll adapt and thrive, or resist and fall behind. Start using ChatGPT every single day. Give it real tasks. Experiment with prompts. Build your skill, because 6 months from now, the gap between people who did this and people who didn't will be enormous. If you want more videos about AI tools, future skills, and money-making opportunities, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. The future is being built right now. Let's stay ahead together.